everyone. I hope that you are very good. My name is Gerardo Vera, and today my team and me are going to explain you all about an ethical business, like what is, how to identify a company that is considered an ethical business, and other points of this topic. Also, we are going to show you an ethical business in Mexico and how this company operates. So let's begin. Simple put, ethics involves learning what is right or wrong, and then doing the right thing. But the right thing is not nearly as straightforward as conveyed in a great deal of business ethics literature. A truly ethical company will be one that is not causing damage to the environment, exploiting its workforce by paying low wage, using child labor, or producing products which are harmful or dangerous. Acting in an ethical way involves distinguishing between right and wrong, and then making the right choice. Let's talk about characteristics of an ethical company. All the companies that are considered ethical has specific characteristics that make them different from those that are not. The characteristics can be strong ethical leadership, core value statement, um, loyal relationship with employees and customers, and others. In a few seconds, my partner is going to talk about an ethical business in Mexico.
Mexican companies increasingly pay attention to corporate responsibility and adopt norms and standards and measure the impact of their actions more systematically. However, they still have a lot to learn from international best practice. Most good corporate responsibility practices are applied in Mexico, says a study conducted for expansion by Solich, located in Canada. However, few Mexican companies incorporate all these best practices. Most seems to take a piecemeal approach. In order to systematize responsibility, some international organizations adopt the triple bottom line model: economic, social, and environmental management. A total of 75 companies are part of this list. Among the Mexican companies that stand out are Lala, Bimbo, ICA, Telcel, and Aeromexico.
In Mexico, every year more companies that obtain the distinctive ESR, which makes them ethical companies, which supports them for their social and environmental commitment. In this chart, we can see that in 2001 starts with 17 companies. Then we see that in 2015 increased to 126, and finally for the year 2016 growth to 1,364.
Well, let's talk about an ethical business in Mexico. The name of the company is Margarita Eco Fashion. The founder of the initiative is Margarita Mesa, a professional history and dabbles in the fashion business from childhood when his mother taught her to cook and make. She says that the lack of employment and the conditions in which thousands of people work in Mexico led her to put into practice the concept of recycled clothing. In November 2011, inaugurates her own business project, Margarita Eco Fashion. Today, the project is still in force with Margarita Mesa and Rebecca Rodriguez, and they are engaged in the manufacture of clothing and accessories made with fabric made of plastic petroxide.
About its mission, this company contributes to the conservation and the care of the environment, producing and commercializing clothes and accessories manufactured with recycled materials, PET, organic fabrics, and other reusable materials of innovative designs, high quality, and usefulness. About its mission, to be an international Mexican reference in the manufacture and export of clothes and accessories made with ecologically friendly materials, PET and organic fabrics and other reusable materials. Margarita Mesa says, our main objective is ecology, but we are also interested in generating a new business vision throughout fair trade and decent and inclusive sources of work. We think that this company practices ethical business because it does not harm the environment by manufacturing its products with recycled materials. A company that is ethical has values, and the values that we consider the company are responsibility, empathy, honesty, teamwork, and commitment. It is a company that not only cares about the planet, is responsible and with an innovative way launches their proposal to the market, making its consumers aware of the damage caused by the contamination with PET and other materials and making them see how to reduce this damage by using products made with recycled materials. Big, better, senses and habitat culture that benefits our planet. It is a company that seeks that all its suppliers and partners also have the culture of being careful with the environment, being ethical companies. In the same way, their employees share that commitment using garments made of recycled materials. In this way, it applies the fair model of doing business with companies that share the mission, and in this way they can benefit the environment together.
This chart shows the sales per year of the company Margaritina. 2 years ago, they sold 100,000 pesos, and last year it increased 100%, and this year the sales rose to 250,000 pesos.
Finally, I will give you my conclusion. In my opinion, all the companies that are ethics generate a big impact in the world. They create awareness to people of it is possible to take care of the environment and during the process making profits. If you are going to start up your own business, make sure that you will satisfy the necessity of society and then make your company the most ethical possible. The change and the care of the planet are possible. You can see a good example on Margaritina company. And if all people follow their way and begin to be ethics people, we can make this world better.
Hi, my name is Jared Peixes Mejia, and this is my conclusion about this report. According to the characteristics that I have seen throughout this report, and if Margaritina is an ethical company, in my opinion, I think that it is, because although it's a small company, its mission and vision have a positive impact on society and environment, in addition to being inclusive when hiring their staff. And since most are single mothers who have the passion to start and become a great company nationwide. Finally, I consider that the companies recognized in Mexico should take the example of this type of companies like Margaritina, since it is a company with a high potential to achieve positioning in the best places in the market.